I want to give a kiss on my forehead. Would it look good?
What's going on, y'all? This is Mario.
Whenever you're ready.
Now I'm at work for the first day. Disaster relief sub. Medical costs 10 blah blah blah.
Here's the number.
I'm at break. It's really easy, sir. I have no costs for shelter. Like in Michigan, they come in, they have costs. We disassemble them. We take them apart. That's all. Now I'm at break. I did 3 by myself. Soon finish. All done. Now I'm gonna work. I'm going in Chicago and Punta Gorda, and everybody suffers outside on right of ways. Everybody. What the hell is going on? Everybody.